几个柿子。
あともう少しだけ座ってていいよこの街の景色を
太阳已经落了，但是你看那个灯像不像太阳？
它会不会噼里掉下来？
不会，
砸头。
不会。
I must have sent 400 poems on the way you used to smile at me. I used to write them for you daily, but my thumbs are running dry lately. No one wants to hear a song about the bitch that broke my heart. I should have listened to my mama, she saw through you from the start. But now we're here in Regent's Park amongst the flowers, and I wish it would rain. 'Cause in the sun, you look so lovely that I'm pulling for you over again. Since I have nothing left to say that will make you change your mind, I'll say goodbye on a beautiful spring day. It was a place not too dissimilar to this one, where I first saw your face. You look like home